Hi everyone, today I'm going to be creating some easy and affordable Dollar Tree Spring Easter decor. The first one will be this egg wreath. I wanted to create a wreath that kind of resembled a nest, and I think that I was able to accomplish it. I really like how it turned out. The next one will be this string of roses. I was inspired by this one here from Hobby Lobby, and I really loved how it looked, but it was pretty pricey, so I decided to create my own, but I used some white and yellow roses. Before that we get started, please be sure and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also hit that bell icon right there on the corner. Let's go ahead and get started. For the first DIY, I'll be using this willow wreath from Dollar Tree. This is one that I used in a previous DIY. Some Spanish moss, some speckled Dollar Tree Easter eggs, and this garland with this mini faux pearls. This was a Dollar Tree Christmas decor. So I wanted to make this wreath look like a nest, so I started to hot glue pieces of that Spanish moss all around the wreath. And I just went around adding patches here and there, and I just continued to build it up until it was nice and full. Next, I took the garland and I would wrap it around in different sections of the wreath. The good thing about this garland is that it's very bendable, and you can really bend it and position it wherever you want it to be on the wreath. Next, I started to hot glue the eggs all around the wreath. You can add as little or as many eggs as you want. I think that either way it'll look really nice. Since I'll be hanging this wreath over this wall decor that I have, I went ahead and I added a piece of burlap ribbon. I think this wreath turned out so nice and rustic, and now I'm ready to hang this. For the second DIY, I'll be using this long stick dowel. If you wanted to use all Dollar Tree items, you can use this cat teaser wand. You can change the color by spray painting it, or also another suggestion is wrapping some twine all around the wand. Some Dollar Tree twine. I'll also be using some white roses and some yellow roses, also from Dollar Tree. For this project, I started off by cutting 5 strands of twine, and the length was about 32 inches long. Once I was done cutting all these strands, I started by tying the first strand to the center of the dowel. And then I moved on to the second one, and that one I put it almost to the end of the dowel. And then I moved on to the third one, and I put that one between the two. And the space between each strand was approximately 4.5 inches. And then I moved on to the opposite side and I followed the same steps. So the next thing that I did is remove the roses off their stem, including the greenery. Next, I added some hot glue to the greenery, and then I placed it on the twine. Before I added the rose, I cut off the little plastic stem from the rose, and then I added some hot glue, and then I placed it on top of the greenery. And then I moved in next with the yellow rose. And then I continued to alternate both of those colors until I got to the end of the string. And here I just want to show you up close how I put the hot glue on the greenery. I kind of ran it up on the leaf. That way when I would place it on the twine, I could just press it down against the twine and it would stay in place. Because the flower will move, this way it kind of helps it to stay more in place and not turn around so much. I hope that makes sense. And basically that's all for this project. It's pretty simple, but it's also very nice. Sometimes less is more. I chose to hang these roses on this mirror, but you can really hang them just against a wall. I just wanted to give this mirror just a nice little spring touch. That's it for this easy and quick spring DIYs. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.